So when I see myself doing that, I feel satisfied because I am doing something for myself. See, I would give 10 out of 10 without question. It's about learning and implementing together will get you the results. 110, I would say 200%.
Hi everyone, meet Kranti. He's a digital nomad. He's from Hyderabad. So he got his first client in just 20 days starting the movement. So is this true, Kranti?
Yeah, very much true, Bipin. I have actually started my journey 2 months back. But the thing is, initially I was not, when I was going through your 30-day course, I was not taking that seriously. Maybe I was taking seriously, but I was not implementing it appropriately. So, but then I felt that, somewhere I was doing something wrong. So I started it again from the day one, from the past 25 days or something.
Hmm.
But then when I started seriously, I got my client within 20 days. Yeah, he's into wedding photography. Yeah.
Correct. So what method of prospecting have you used? Like, did you meet, cold call, social media? What did you use?
It is purely through prospecting by social media. I used to send I even now I'm sending about 30 to 40 or 50 scripts that we have sent. So yeah, a lot of people do respond, and a lot of people have positive response to this. It's only that they want results, and I'm sure I'm going to deliver them the results as well.
So you used social media. So you used
Yes.
Instagram, is it said?
Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
And
great.
cold calling, I need to start. Like I have started again. Cold calling. Also, there is a lot of potential. See, cold calling that has a lot of potential. Then you get to speak to the clients directly and understand them. Yeah, that also adds a lot of benefit.
Got it. So what is your background? Can you tell me more about your background, your experience so far?
Yeah, actually, I was when I started my career, I was into corporate sales. With the 5-star property.
Hmm.
But then after COVID, there were a lot of attrition happening there. So I shifted my gear to IT software industry. Presently, I'm into software industry.
Hmm.
See, I always wanted my to work for myself rather than working for others.
Hmm.
So I have the liberty to work for myself now, make money for myself, than making money for others. So I'm pretty much satisfied the way I am going and the way things will go from now on.
Awesome. So you always wanted to be your own boss.
Exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
now you have joined this program, you've learned the skills. Do you
Yes.
feel that you're in the right place?
110%. 110%. This is what I wanted. Uh, Maybe I didn't get the direction. So one day I was just scrolling the reels. So I got to see you. I wanted to explore what exactly is that. But then I later on got in touch with one of your colleague. He guided me to do this. Then I realized, yes, I am in the right place. I want to do. This is a platform where I want to do for myself. Yeah, that's what I feel. Maybe from now, this is my first venture. Maybe by this venture, I can take a couple of new ventures as well down the line.
Yes. So when like you saw my ad and then you got in touch with my team,
Yes,
whatever we promised, did we deliver that?
110. I would say 200%.
Okay. Thank you.
See, at the end, you give your inputs. We see it only happens when we start implementing it. It's not that we just have to look at it and learn from it. We have to implement rather than learning through it and just leaving it aside. So that's the issue I faced in my initially. But then when I came to know that it's not about learning, it's about learning and implementing together will get you the results. I would say 200% satisfied.
Okay. Really, really happy. And I'm really
Yeah.
happy that you took the action and
Yes. Yes.
you took the action, you made it work.
Yeah. See, you've been telling that in your session, every session, unless until we don't implement, we'll not get the results.
Correct.
So yeah, that is what is happening. I implemented, so that's the reason I am able to get a website and a client of my own.
Yeah. So when you said website, like in how many days were you able to do your own website? Because you're from IT background, you should be, I
Yes.
don't know if you have a website experience, but you can tell your experience here.
See, initially when initially it took a lot of time before joining this session. Normally it takes a lot of time to create a website, but after joining this session, I was able to just 3 or 4 days, or maybe 5 days maximum, with minor changes and everything. 5 days it took. That's it, not more than that.
Uh, so have you done any websites previously?
No, no, I have not done any website previously. This was my first attempt,
Okay.
and I would say like 3 days. It's a long time. Again, if I sit from morning 10 to evening 10, I could have finished that. So
Hmm.
I was leisure enough, but then it took me 3 4 days, yeah, to finish website.
So you learned how to develop a website in just 3 4 days.
Yes,
Uh,
exactly.
do you feel happy?
Very much. See, when I launched my website, when I posted in my WhatsApp group and Instagram group, I felt, yeah, okay, people have started appreciating me. They wanted to know what I'm doing, and that's a better way to reach out to people as well.
Nice. So
Yes,
a dream of being your own boss, getting that initial steps, you
yes,
are feeling it that I'm going in the right track.
yes, exactly. I'm going the right path.
Okay. And uh, what do you have to say about the overall community that we have?
See, community is always helpful. Whatever issues I have, everybody was able to help me out, and I did get a lot of support from the community.
Hmm.
Where I got stuck at some place, but then when I posted in the community, there was a lot of support from them. A lot of people have responded, and I was able to resolve by the suggestions that they have given.
Nice. So let's say if you join it, you're not just left out with this program, but you also have a constant support every time.
Yes, yes, 100%.
Nice. Uh,
And that too. It was instant. It's not that I don't have to wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, nothing like that. It was an instant response.
Amazing. Amazing. Um, yeah, and what you had to say about, because you're into corporate, you said you were into sales
Yes.
from in your experience in your past career, and you
Yeah.
also learned sales here, in my training as well.
Yes.
How
Yes.
different is it? Or like, did you like it? Did you hate it? Like, what is your experience with old training and this training?
See, my earlier sales, to be frank, that was for other company, for
Mm,
other people, for
mm,
others. Okay. I was venturing out for clients for others, like though I was getting salary, but that's only salary that I used to get. But the major income was to other people. But
mm.
here, yes, all the effort that I put in, all the prospecting or cold calling, that is only to me. Okay, that is only for myself. So when I see myself doing that, I feel satisfied because I am doing something for myself.
Hmm.
That is where I'm satisfied, 100%.
Amazing. So, the training, the sales training that you went through, what was your take on that?
See, that was more like on the job training. This is a different thing. This I would say this has more. Uh, the deliverable here is much more than what I used to do earlier. So the results are much faster. The results are much faster with the free trial and other offers that we give to the clients. They'll be definitely wanted to. They want to start. They want to try. Okay, getting the results, yeah, that is comes second. That comes secondary, but at least we are getting the clients to try with the free trial that we give, and based on that, yes, we'll be able to get more clients with that.
Got it. Perfect. Yeah, I'm really happy the
Yes,
progress that you have, in just 30 days.
yes,
Now I
Bipin.
want you to look at this business as a real estate. Okay. Imagine that you
Yes.
have in Hyderabad, you have 4 houses.
Hmm.
Each house is an apartment and you can rent it out for 25,000.
Yeah.
To get that 4 house, how much do you have to invest? To get a
To
rental,
buy.
yeah, to buy and to have it in your name and to
Hmm.
get a rental income of 25,000 rupees per month kind of house, how much do you have to invest?
5 crores or 6 crores.
5 crores.
Yeah.
Now, without investing 5 to 6 crores, you have that rental property in Hyderabad, you have it in Mumbai, you have it in Bangalore, you have it in USA, you had it in Dubai, you
Yes.
have it everywhere in this world.
Yes.
How? Clients.
Exactly.
If you charge a client in Hyderabad, easily they'll pay you 25,000 per
Yeah.
month training.
Yes.
And if you charge the same client, maybe in UK, Australia,
Mhm.
they would pay you 1,000 AUD or 1,000 USD, which is
Yes.
70,000
Yes.
recurring.
Yeah.
So now imagine that you have 4 houses.
Mm.
Your one client you have 3 houses left.
Yes.
Your job is to fill the tenant.
Yes.
So this business is scalable. Without having a real estate property, you have rental income coming into your bank account.
Yes. Absolutely. Yeah.
Do you feel it is the same? But now you have gone through it. Now I'm telling it. Do you feel it?
Yes, of course. Like, see, the more clients, I would say four is just a number. The
Yeah.
more I work hard, it can be
Yeah.
more than four, more than 10, or more than, like, what you said. I can achieve the 3 lakh or 10, client slab. So that is my ultimate goal, Bipin. I don't want to stop till four. I want to, go from there. This is my first venture with this. Maybe right now I'm doing as a freelancer. Maybe down the line, I want to set up my own company. I want to, like, employ other people and grow, with more than 10, 15 clients in hand.
Yes. That's it. You have that dream. You have that big dream.
Yes,
That big dream will not make you stop. It will make you work,
exactly,
and
exactly.
it'll help you in that direction as well.
Yes, 100%.
This is the first step. Let's say you want to start a company, have team. Yes. First, if you know everything, then it's easy for you to handle a team.
Yes,
Tell
see,
me how
I'll tell you
you
one example.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'll tell you one example. Okay. So before that, I was working, as I said, I was working for a corporate company. It's a five-star hotel. So in that, in that, it was there's something called in the job training wherein I have to, like, learn what other peoples are doing and so implement the same thing with my clients.
Hmm.
That's for others. And here I'll get my experience.
Hmm.
It's a first-hand experience that I gain to get the clients. And then maybe when I set up a company of my own, I'll be able to guide others to how to get the clients for myself.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, having an experience and getting into the business is a different thing, and without having an experience and getting into the job.
Awesome. Yeah, that's it. This is how I started.
Yes.
I started doing everything, and then now I
Mhm.
have a team, I have a company,
Yes.
Great. So
Yeah, just
what
trying to follow your footsteps.
amazing. I would love to see you guys become very successful. That gives me fulfillment. That's it.
Thanks, Vipin.
So
Yes, agree.
before, like final questions, like how do you want to rate the overall experience on a scale of 1 to 10?
See, I would give 10 out of 10 without question.
Okay. All right. So you have gone through, like in your previous companies, you have gone through so many trainings. You have gone through so
Yes.
many trainers. Uh, yeah. How is the training with me? What do you have to say about mentor?
See, training with you is a different thing altogether. I never had any pressure, to learn under you. Unlike in my the previous companies, there was a lot of pressure and a lot of, other things going around rather than work. But here it is only purely, based 100% based on how much effort we put and the training that you give. It's not about the technical part, but also the moral support that you give in your training is like, it's way out of the mark. I see in my previous training it was only the work perspective, but here it is not about that. You also give moral support to the to guys like us, and you also give a emotional support as well. So that's what I that's driving me to learn more and more from
Got
you.
it. Got it. Perfect. Amazing. Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you so much. And
my
final, yeah. If someone wants to join, if someone
yeah.
is thinking, should I go here? Are they scam? Should I invest? What do you have to tell them?
See, I will just tell them to blindly follow, listen to me, and join the session. That's it. And they will understand once they join the session. They will understand how it is, how potential it is, like how what is the potential that we can we have, unless until we don't join the session, we will not come to know.
Correct.
So
So
maybe, yeah, I will give them my 100%, like, I will tell them without even any question, join this program and become a boss of yourself and work for yourself rather than working for others.
awesome. Thank you so much, Kranti.
Yeah.
It was really
Much.
good getting to know your progress and everything.
Thanks, man.
One idea over a long period of time is where you make your fortune.
Yes.
Okay. So other people's, there's something called shiny object syndrome. Don't fall into this. Other
Yes.
people's, your neighbor's lawn will always look greener.
Great.
But when you go
Yeah.
and step into it,
Mm.
you will understand that lawn has a lot of dirt in it.
Yes.
So
Agree.
you might feel others are doing a lot of new things, but
Yeah.
there's a lot of problem. Now you have your lawn, start nurturing it.
Yeah.
It will start glowing.
Definitely. Definitely.
Nurturing is, mastering your skills, getting some experience, failing with one or two clients, getting better.
Yeah.
Then you will
Mm.
your life, your career, your lawn will start shining.
Exactly. Yes.
Do
I
not
believe in that.
do not fall into nice things or shiny object. Everything looks nice. Everything has their own problem. Here, the formula for you to make money is energy equals money.
Yes.
You put more energy, you make 10 calls, you'll get at least one client. You make 20 calls, you get at least one client. More energy equals money. This
Yes.
formula, when you go with this formula, you will never fail in life. You
Yes.
will never
I
get
agree.
into financial crisis. You'll never make any big losses.
Yeah.
More energy equals more money. That's it.
Yes.
If
Absolutely.
clients, okay, you need some experience, you're in the right track, just give your
Mm.
100% as you're doing, you will
Sure.
definitely hit your goals.
Yeah. Thanks for that, man. Thanks, Bipin.
That's it. Okay. That's
Really, really appreciate it. Yeah.
the formula to go. And never compare yourself with others. Maybe
Yes.
someone is really doing very nice in digital marketing, or someone
Mm.
is getting client. They might be in chapter number 10 in their life.
Yes.
Maybe
Yeah.
now you're chapter 1. So we
Yes.
cannot compare chapter 1 to chapter 10 or chapter 15. So you can
Agree.
always compare to your yesterday,
Yes.
last year. So if my
Yeah.
rule is try to become 1% better every single day, so that by the end of 365 days, you're 365% better than the last year.
Yes.
That 1% growth in personal, in discipline, in your life, business, work, everywhere will make you like more, will give you more growth in all the aspect in your life.
Yes.
So that's it from my side. Have an amazing day. Really nice
Thanks.
talking to you today.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Thanks again.